Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's is going to be a little bit of a shorter one. I honestly was just going to delete all of these clips because it didn't seem long enough or substantial, but I thought I'd just go ahead and upload it as a bit of some extra content for you all. So I do include a little bit of cleaning motivation. We share the new bar stools we have for our island, and I also do a quick little haul of some new cleaning products for the holidays. And speaking of the holidays, if you guys are into Christmas decorating, you will want to stick around and make sure you are subscribed, as well as turn on your post notifications by clicking the little bell. And also make sure you try and select the all option if you want to be notified of every single upload, because I have seen in my analytics that some of you are not getting the notifications. So you'll want to make sure that is selected, because my next few videos should be all about Christmas decorating, so tons of inspiration and just holiday cheer. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that as much as I am, and yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have been around for a while now, you might recall when I mentioned that I wanted to get new furniture for the master bedroom, because I feel like these are just a little bit, I don't know, they don't go with the style that we have in this home. And so I have ordered those. There's been weeks since I ordered them, but like everything else, everything is back ordered, and we have yet to receive our bed. We actually got our nightstands in. But once everything is in, I probably will film a video and share the transformation with you all. So that's another thing coming up in the near future. And now for some cute little puppy love, and then we will get back to the cleaning.
Who knows what you think about me? And I know I shouldn't care. I really tried my best, but I can't make you happy. And I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could. I don't know how or what I could have done better. Baby, I really tried the best I could.
Hace como un par de años que pasó lo impredecible. Te fuiste por un futuro y el pasado se quedó. Después de un par de...
To anyone who is new around here, we moved into this house about a year ago now, and if you watch my move-in video, you might have seen my struggle with the dishwasher. This is my first time having one, and I am so happy we finally have one. I absolutely love it, but it's just hilarious how I had no clue how to use it. But we have come a long way since then, so I am very thankful the dishwashers are in my life now. This container I bought at Target from the Magnolia line. It matches the one where I have the utensils, and I wanted to use this for the dog treats, but obviously it says sugar on it. So later on in the video, I will also create one of those Cricut labels just to put on here and make sure everyone knows it's treats and not sugar on here. But yeah, I probably should have taken the sticker off before I started getting this whole thing wet, but I didn't. Good thing is it didn't give me that hard of a time. And just like that, we have a correctly identified treat jar. And now for the bar stools, these are the ones that we used to have, but they are raw wood, so they're not sealed in anything. And with kids, that is just not the perfect match. I didn't really think this through when we purchased these, but after using them for a little bit, I quickly realized that it was going to be very hard to get the stains out of these and just keep them clean, because again, it's raw wood, so it kind of soaks everything in. And I had to actually use my steamer to get some of these like ketchup stains and all of these nooks and crannies that have made its way down there when my son was eating. So I was on the hunt for some other chairs that would be easier to wipe down than these, that were very minimalistic, and I came across these on CB2. I will link them down below in case any of you are interested. But yeah, I am obsessed with how these look, and my husband is going to be putting these together for me, and then I will show you guys what they look like at the island. As you can see here, these bar stools came in 2 pieces, so the chair is one whole acrylic piece, and then you just add the legs onto it, which makes for super easy cleanups. And although these are clear, that does mean that any fingerprints and dirt and stuff will show up on them, so it's more visible. But the fact that it's super easy to clean just makes me feel better about it, even if I do have to wipe them down more frequently. But these definitely fit the bill for what I was looking for, so I love them. For a little reminder of what our previous bar stools looked like at the island, so you can see the comparison, and let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Did you like the ones we had previously, or do you prefer these? I personally 100% prefer the ones we have now, not only for the cleanliness aspect of it, but I think they just blend in so much better with the accent pieces we have in our home and all of the black metal going on in the light fixtures. And also we are able to fit 4 of the bar stools at the island, whereas the other ones we were only able to comfortably fit 3, and then we just had the 4th one off to the side. So yeah, I just think these were the perfect fit, and also the back is a little bit lower, so they're almost seamless. It's as if they were just floating there. So I'm super happy with the switch.
I bet you think that I should calm down.
Now moving on to a product haul from Grove Collaborative. I typically don't order this many products, but because they do have their holiday scents out right now, I went ahead and picked up a bunch, and I have a good story behind this. I know if you watched my last video, which was my laundry room organization, I mentioned that I like to use a lot of the vinegar and just more natural products, but these Mrs. Meyer ones actually don't rate too bad on the dirty app scale. If you guys ever use it or are familiar with it, you can just scan the barcode and see if the products are toxic or not, and these tend to be on the lower scale, so they're pretty good. And again, I did stock up on a lot of these, and the reason behind that is that this Mrs. Meyer's, the green scent here, which is the Iowa Pine, this is the cleaner that they had used to clean our home when we just moved in. So for that reason, I feel like I have this scent registered in my brain as just like a memory for our newly built home. And so I just stocked up on these. I don't know if that's me being weird, but if I smell something, like that just brings me back to the moment, and I just really enjoy the scent. So I picked up a bunch of the multi-spray cleaners, some dish soap, some room fresheners, as well as some hand soap. And I also wanted to try out the other scents, which was the peppermint, the eucalyptus, and the snowdrop, and I was honestly blown away by the scent of the snowdrop and eucalyptus. Wasn't too big of a fan of the peppermint, so I definitely will not be running out of cleaners anytime soon. And that is going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you stay tuned for those Christmas videos coming up. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.